Your classmates are using AI tools to study in half the time, write better essays, understand complex topics faster, and finish assignments before you have even started. And the tools they are using are completely free. In this video, I am giving you the 7 best free AI tools for students in 2026, the ones that actually work for real academic tasks, not just the famous ones everyone already knows about. I tested all of them. Some of them genuinely surprised me. Number 4 is the one most students have never heard of, and it is going to change how you study. Let's go. Welcome to Stacked Minds. Every Tuesday, I break down AI tools and tech into knowledge you can actually use. If you are a student and you are not subscribed yet, this channel is for you. Hit subscribe right now because I have more student-focused content coming over the next few weeks. Quick note before we start. Every single tool in this video has a free plan that covers everything a student needs. No credit card, no trial period, free. Let's get into it. You already know ChatGPT exists, but most students use it wrong. They ask it vague questions and get vague answers, then decide it is not that useful. Here is how to actually use it for studying. Instead of typing, "Explain photosynthesis," try, "I am a first-year biology student. I understand the light reactions, but I am confused about how carbon fixation works in C4 plants. Explain it step by step with a real-world analogy and give me one practice question at the end." That level of specificity transforms ChatGPT from a search engine into an actual tutor. It will meet you at exactly your level of understanding. Use it for breaking down difficult concepts, generating practice questions, brainstorming essay structures, and getting instant feedback on your rough drafts. Pro tip: always tell ChatGPT your year, your subject, and what you already understand. The output improves dramatically every single time. If ChatGPT is your tutor, Claude is your editor and research assistant. Claude handles long documents better than any other free AI tool available right now. You can paste in an entire textbook chapter, a research paper, or a dense lecture transcript, and ask Claude to summarize it, explain the key arguments, or quiz you on the content. It reads all of it. Where Claude really separates itself is essay feedback. Paste your draft essay and try this. Give me honest feedback on this essay. Tell me what the argument is missing, where the logic is unclear, what the weakest paragraph is, and how to strengthen the conclusion. Be direct. Claude will give you feedback that is more specific and more actionable than most human tutors provide, and it costs you nothing. One more thing. Some universities have campus-wide free Claude access. Check with your institution before assuming you are on the standard free plan. Here is the problem with using ChatGPT and Claude for research. They do not always tell you where the information comes from. For academic work, that matters. Perplexity AI fixes that. It works like a search engine and an AI assistant combined. You ask it a question, and it gives you a concise answer with the actual source links attached to every claim. You can verify what it says, click through to the original articles, and use those sources in your assignments. Use Perplexity to find background reading fast. When you are starting an essay and need to understand the landscape of a topic quickly, what the key debates are, who the key thinkers are, what the recent research says, Perplexity gets you there in minutes instead of hours of browser tab archaeology. Never cite the Perplexity answer directly. Click through to the original source and cite that. Perplexity is the map. The original articles are the destination. This is the one most students have never heard of. And once you try it, you will not go back. NotebookLM is a free Google tool that lets you upload your own notes, lecture slides, readings, and research papers. And then, this is the part that makes it different from everything else. It becomes an AI that only knows your material. You can ask it questions, and it answers based exclusively on what you uploaded. No hallucinations, no generic internet answers, just your own course material, made instantly searchable and explainable. The best feature, NotebookLM can turn any document into an audio overview. a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts discussing your material. Upload your lecture notes before an exam and let it generate an audio summary you can listen to while commuting, exercising, or doing anything that does not require your eyes. It is genuinely one of the most useful study tools available anywhere at any price right now, and it is completely free. Use case: upload all your notes for an upcoming exam. Ask NotebookLM. What are the 5 most likely exam topics based on this material? Give me a practice question for each one. Come back and tell me that does not save you hours. Every assignment you submit is being judged on how well it is written, not just what it says. Grammarly installs as a free browser extension and checks everything you type in real time. Essays, emails to professors, application forms, online submissions, all of it gets instant feedback. The free version catches grammar errors, unclear sentences, and awkward phrasing. That alone will improve your writing quality significantly. But the more important habit Grammarly builds is this: it shows you the same mistakes you make over and over. After a few weeks of using it, you start naturally writing better because you have seen your patterns. Install it once, leave it running. It works silently in the background and makes everything you write better without you having to think about it. Most students are managing their academic life across 5 different apps: notes in one place, deadlines in another, research somewhere else, to-do lists on paper. Notion brings all of it into one workspace, and the AI built into it makes everything faster. Set up one Notion page per subject. Inside each page, lecture notes, key concepts, assignment deadlines, reading lists, and your own summaries. Then use Notion AI to do 3 things: summarize long notes into key points before an exam, generate study questions from your notes automatically, and create structured outlines for essays from bullet points you have collected. The setup takes about an hour. After that, Notion becomes the single source of truth for your entire academic life. Students who use it consistently report spending significantly less time searching for information and significantly more time actually understanding it. This one is for every student who has ever sat in a fast lecture and realized they missed something important 3 slides ago. Otter AI records audio and converts it to a written transcript in real time. Open it on your phone at the start of any lecture, class, or online meeting. It records everything and gives you a searchable, editable transcript when the session ends. The free plan gives you 300 minutes per month. That is 5 hours of lectures every single month at 0 cost. You can search the transcript for specific terms, highlight key moments, and ask Otter AI to summarize the main points of the session. The best use case: record a lecture with Otter, export the transcript, paste it into NotebookLM or Claude, and ask it to generate study notes and practice questions. That entire workflow, from live lecture to structured study material, takes about 5 minutes of your time and costs you nothing. 7 tools. Here is the simple system that connects them. Use Otter to capture lectures. Use Perplexity to research topics for assignments. Use NotebookLM to study from your own notes. Use ChatGPT to explain concepts you are stuck on. Use Claude to get feedback on your writing and summarize long readings. Use Grammarly on everything you submit. Use Notion to organize all of it in one place. That system covers every major academic task: capturing, researching, understanding, writing, and organizing. And every single tool in it is free. You do not need all 7 at once. Start with NotebookLM and Claude this week. Add the others as you find the gaps they fill. The students who are going to have the hardest time in the next few years are not the ones who use AI. They are the ones who refuse to learn how to use it while everyone around them gets faster, better, and more productive. You now have 7 free tools and a system to use them. The only thing left is to actually open one right now. If this video helped you, share it with one friend who is still struggling through assignments without these tools. Hit subscribe for a new video every Tuesday, and comment below. Which tool are you trying first? See you next Tuesday.